Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new topic VLOOKUP. It is our data, date and result. This is our result. When we type the date, the result is showing. Date is when we type the date B column. When we type the data of B column, the result showing from column A, date A. Here is the example. If we type here 1st March 2022 from date B, the result showing 1st January 2022. If we type here date 1st April 2022, result automatically showing from result date A 1st Feb 2022. How to do it? We use just VLOOKUP formula, simple VLOOKUP formula. This is VLOOKUP formula. Let's do it. Equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, VLOOKUP value, comma. This is our range. Use F4 to fix the range, comma. We require column number 2, comma, false. Bracket close. Enter. 1st April 2022 is our date. This is our date, and the result is showing 1st Feb 2022. This is our result. 1st Feb 2022. We type here 1st June 2022. Result is showing 1st April 2022. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much.